it's the first really big test match.
Ratty, can I ask you about the appointment of Joe Lewis, how that came about, and also what impact did he have this week, given he's so familiar with England?
No, for 100%. We always had only one analyst. And I think if you go and look at any of the tier 1 nations, some have 5. I think the French has got 8 guys just getting data. I know England also has a lot. So we were looking for another analyst, and Joe was available. So obviously we always scan everywhere. Paddy is an Irishman, but he worked in the French league a hell of a lot. So you get some good info and some good things that they do in that league, analysis-wise. And obviously, if you get a guy of his caliber being available, it's just fantastic to have him here. And he was available. We had only 2 analysts. We have 3 now. I still think we're far off of the other countries, other tier 1 nations who's got more analysts. We were always in the mode of just one analyst gathering data, and then the coaches would filter it. And what him and Paddy, Lindsay, Paddy, and Joe brings to us now, we've got them all in different departments. So Paddy is with the scrum from the line out, Lindsay is with the back line, and then Paddy is, for example, with the attack, and they rotate a little bit. So it's good to get a fresh voice with some new ideas in.
This week particularly, so familiar with England.
Yeah, of course he's familiar with England. Yeah, without a doubt. It's like when Matthew Proudfoot moved away from us in 2019. The next year we played England. Matthew Proudfoot knew a lot of us. There's a guy called Byron McGuigan. He spent a whole week with us as Sale Sharks coach. And he was the whole week with us, and I'm pretty sure he's got a lot of stuff on us. So, Eddie Jones moved from Australia to England, and then from England to Japan, and obviously some IP gets transferred, and same with Joe.